In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the WooCommerce sidebar. If you're aiming for a cleaner, more streamlined look on your online store, removing the sidebar from your WooCommerce pages might just do the trick. Whether you're looking for a more spacious design to let your products shine or simply prefer a minimalist style, following these steps will ensure that your site reflects exactly the aesthetic you desire. First, let's go ahead and navigate to the back end of your WordPress site. Once you're logged in, find your way to the Appearance section on the left-hand side of the dashboard. This is where all the magic begins. Click on the Appearance tab, and within the drop-down menu, you'll spot the Customize option. Selecting Customize will open up the WordPress Theme Customizer. This is an incredibly powerful tool that gives you real-time editing capabilities on your site, ensuring that any changes you make can be instantly previewed. With the Customizer open, we're going to look for the Layout or Sidebar options. This menu might appear differently depending on the theme you're using. Common WordPress themes like Astra, OceanWP, or GeneratePress usually provide these intuitive options, but don't worry if you can't seem to find them immediately. Just take your time to explore within the Customizer, as sometimes menu names might vary slightly. Once you've located the Layout or Sidebar settings, click on it to expand your options. In this section, you should see something related to WooCommerce pages. Now, our goal is to set these pages to display full width or no sidebar. This setting is specifically designed to remove any sidebars from your WooCommerce product pages, shop pages, or any other pages powered by WooCommerce. It's a straightforward toggle or selection, and you'll be able to see the difference immediately within the preview area of your Customizer. The space that was once occupied by that sidebar will now be open and available for your main content, providing a much cleaner, distraction-free shopping experience for your visitors. Remember, the exact name of these settings might differ based on your theme, so be sure to read through the options carefully. However, most modern and WooCommerce-friendly themes have recognized the importance of customization and will provide this feature under a straightforward label. Once you've selected full width or no sidebar for your WooCommerce pages, don't forget to save your changes. You'll usually find a Publish or Save button at the top of your Customizer. Clicking this will ensure that all your updates are solidified and applied to your live site. And there you have it. Your WooCommerce pages should now be free of sidebars, offering a fresh and open design tailored to your preferences. Removing sidebars can greatly enhance the readability and visual appeal of your content, ensuring that your products remain front and center. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you achieve the look you were after for your WooCommerce store. If you have any more questions or need further tips, feel free to leave a comment below.